Today we are performing a full iPhone 12 Pro back cover replacement using high-quality replacement parts from Mobileparts.shop, designed for professional repair workflows. In addition, we'll replace the battery with a high-quality original pulled battery to restore the device's performance and battery health. The disassembly process is similar to previous iPhone models. First, power off the device and remove the SIM tray using a SIM eject tool. Then, remove the two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. To begin the disassembly process, gently heat the display using a hot air gun or a professional screen separation tool. Apply controlled heat for approximately 3 minutes at 70 to 80 degrees Celsius to soften the adhesive. Apply isopropyl alcohol if needed to assist separation. The display opens like a book by lifting it to the left side. Disconnect the battery first, then remove all internal connectors and shielding. Remove all internal components, including back cameras, speaker, tap-tick engine. The battery is strongly glued to the housing. Apply isopropyl alcohol to soften the adhesive and carefully remove it. The Face ID module includes infrared sensors, a dot projector, and the front camera system. Remove the logic board carefully. The lower section includes the charging port cable, while the upper section contains the antenna system. The wireless charging module also includes a magnetic ring with integrated neodymium magnets. Let's take a closer look at this spare part from Mobileparts.shop. This is the back cover, including small parts, grade A pulled, for iPhone 12 Pro Max. I've heard that this grade A quality offers excellent condition with minimal to no visible scratches. Let's take a closer look and see how it performs in practice. The overall finish looks very clean, and the frame feels solid and well aligned. Compared to lower quality housings, this one is much closer to original condition. This makes it a strong option for professional repairs, where quality and reliability are important. Reassemble the device by reinstalling all screws and connectors in the correct order. The new battery installed is an original unit supplied by Mobileparts.shop with battery health above 85%. Carefully close the device and secure the bottom screws. The repair is now complete using high-quality replacement parts from Mobileparts.shop. Their product range includes pulled housings, batteries, displays, and professional repair parts for a wide variety of devices. The overall quality of this Grade A housing is excellent, with a near-original finish and very clean condition, making it a great option for professional repair workflows.